What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. Crypto's taking a little bit of a dip tonight, so we're going to be talking about all that and much more. So if you're brand new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for us, and welcome to the family, guys. So Luna Classic right now taking a bit of a dip. We had some news come out that SEC might be banning staking across crypto platforms in the United States. So it's also leading to a big drop in the crypto market right now. So that news was being broke by Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase. They had a little FUD going on with their company. A couple insider trading guys were basically admitted to it, and we'll touch base on all that here in this video. So we'll give everybody a few minutes to hop in here, and then we'll get it. What's up, Crypto Life? Dip, rip. Yeah, so a little FUD in the market tonight. Hopefully we'll rebound by sometime tomorrow. But we're going to touch base on the top 100. Maybe look at the biggest movers and kind of see what's going on, man. Because as of right now, it's not looking the best, man. It really isn't. So, yeah, unstake everything if you're staking. Nah, I don't think it's going to be that bad. It's just basic FUD in the market right now. So here's the article I'd peeped earlier. So Coinbase CEO Armstrong decries rumors of possible U.S. SEC ban on crypto staking. So basically he goes on to say, I hope that's not the case, and I believe that it would be a terrible path for the U.S. if that was allowed to happen. He tweeted on Wednesday while arguing that practice of staking is really important for innovation. The SEC also declined to comment on Armstrong's tweet. The agency has repeatedly said the most digital token and securities that should be subject to its rules. Gary Gensler has previously indicated staking could fall under the regulator's purview. Armstrong argued that staking is not a security. So staking involves earning rewards by locking up coins to help order transactions on various blockchains such as Ethereum, Coinbase, Kraken, of course, the Luna Classic, and many others. So a little FUD happening right now, and it is affecting the market right now. Luna Classic just took a big dip. 16967 was the low of that 30-minute candle. This is a 30-minute candle, just heading straight down. So I'm trying to keep an eye on everything. Bitcoin looks like it's starting to stabilize. It was dropping pretty hard a minute ago. We're going to pull that up here in a few. Pretty much red across the board. Phantom down 5.5%. Ethereum Classic down 3.74%. Dogecoin down 4%. And it doesn't look like it's clearing up anytime. Let's see what's happening, guys. Let's pull up Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, that's the 30-minute chart off Bitcoin. Really moving down to the red. So we'll keep an eye on it. 22,449, approaching that 22,300. So this FUD could impact the market a little bit more than what we want it to. So we're going to need to keep an eye on this and see if there's any more updates regarding this. So you heard from a good source to unstake your crypto? Well, I hope not, man. Hey, give me 1 second. I got to set one more thing up. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, no lunk knots for right now, man. That project kind of fell through, so I'm not going to be exploring that avenue right now. So all right, give everybody a few minutes to roll in, and then we'll get cranked up, man. But man, it's not looking too good. Bitcoin's starting to rebound just a little bit off that news. Yeah, it was just about an hour ago. So that fell down. 22,449 right now. Hopefully we'll see a nice little comeback. Yeah, Lunk Knots, we not doing it, man. Had some stuff fall out with that, so it's all good though. We got other projects I'm gonna be working on here. So let's take a look at the top crypto 100 real quick and see what's happening across the board. All right, Bitcoin down 2.68% the past 24 hours. A lot of that's off this this news from CEO from Coinbase. FTM taking the biggest hit. Looks like right now down 15%. Terra Classic down 6%. $32% on Singularity Network. Down to 42 cents, man. So hopefully if y'all were playing that, hopefully some of y'all got rid of that. I need to put out a quick tweet real quick just to let people know what's going on with this dip situation that we're seeing. What's up, One Shot? Hey, man, did you sell AGIX? I gotta know, bro. Did you get rid of it? 'Cause that shit is dipping, bro. Dipping hard. Down 32% past 24 hours. So what's happening is, man, I don't know if you caught it, but SEC is trying to put a ban on staking. Or so far, that's what Brian Armstrong from Coinbase has said. So he's trying to shot the rooftops that's happening. But we'll have to see. I don't think they're going to do that. That'd be a wrong move, in my opinion, man. That'd be a bad move by the SEC. That'd be a terrible move. Oh, man. So, yeah, guys. Let me know your thoughts. You think they'll ban it? I don't think they will. I think it's just some FUD to throw in the market to get it to go back down. And that it is doing. 22,449 was the low for Bitcoin. Did bounce back just a little bit. Now at 22,610. So a lot happening tonight with the FUD. So we'll just have to continue watching it. Look at STAFI. Yeah, I can pull it up, bro. STAFI. And that's what I was talking about the past couple nights, like these unforeseen, basically these unforeseen freaking drops in market volatility, man. It just, you know, Brian Armstrong is an influential person, so I mean, if he does put out some FUD or a statement like the government's gonna ban staking, of course, any proof of stake blockchain is gonna fucking dump, bro. StaffI, let's see what that's doing. Yeah, it's actually well, it's down 6.5%. Is this one that you're playing, man? It's market rank 419. Yeah, I'll have to peep into it off stream, but I'll take a deeper dive into it, see what it is. It's down right now, of course, with everything else being the way that it is. So, sad to say, man, we're probably going to go back down for a retest of 22.3. That's what it's looking like across the board. So, crypto's probably going to drop as a you know, in the gist of things, the 4-hour chart, you still haven't had that 22.3 retest, and I think we'll get it. So, anything to bring it back down to the 200, it always goes back to the 200. So don't forget that. So where's that sitting at? 21,492. It'll be a little bit higher by the time we get a retest for it. So I sold AGIX at 75% 2 days ago. holding the rest, looking to add more off this dip. I got you, man. Yeah, I'll pull it up here off of TradingView charts, and we'll take a look at Singularity Network for you. But hey, glad to see you secured the bag, and you won't be going red on that, man, because I think yesterday it was like 64 cents or something along that lines. Now it's at like 42. But the whole market just dumped pretty freaking hard, man. 2% down across the board. FTM got hit really, really hard. Let's pull it up real quick. It might be a good opportunity to get some FTM right here. I was waiting for a decent little dip, and I was waiting for that retest of that 50 cents, and you can see we completely fell out. But a lot of that had to do with what just happened with the proof of stake FUD in the market, so nothing we can do about it right now, guys. 48 cents. I think if we get a 50-cent retest and get rejected, that would be, of course, bad for crypto. But you'll probably see this translate into tomorrow, and then we'll see if the stock market... Let me check the stock market futures real quick and see what those are doing. See what those are looking like. Take a quick peek, guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. If y'all could smash that like button for your boy, I'd greatly freaking appreciate it. Stock market futures are actually green for tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But crypto right now, fucking FUD, man, is getting to us. Let me see if they got any updates. Check the updates. What we got here? And dude, they just pile it on 1 hour ago. Proposed Israeli law to classify crypto as securities will kill the industry. So let's go ahead and pull this up. Take a look at what they're talking about in Israel. Proposed laws in Israel that would see cryptocurrencies classified as securities would cause huge damage to the local crypto industry. That I would agree with 100%. Let's go on and see what they say. So they go on to say to classify a digital asset as a security. It's changing everything here. He said you cannot classify all the digital assets as securities because it will kill the industry. I agree with that. Among the proposals was one that would allow crypto service providers to operate in Israel, at least temporarily, if they had parallel license from abroad. According to the latest January figures from the ISA, it estimated that around 150 companies operating in the local crypto industry and more than 2,000 people from Israel invested in crypto. So just some more FUD. More FUD in the market. They're laying it on, so you can probably expect the market to drop quite a bit over the next couple of days. Man, I was hoping for a good break to the upside, but I can show you off a Luna Classic what we had off the charts. Yeah, that killed us, man. That killed the momentum we had, and then we started heading back down. So it's all good, man. 16, probably looking for a 1.6 flat retest. That's probably what we're in the works for. So just be on the lookout for that, guys. Let's see where the 1 hour. Yeah, so even off the 1 hour chart, I think crypto it's just gonna dip here. I'm calling it, man, for the next probably week. So we'll see if everything turns around immediately, but hit like this, they're gonna bring it down. The shorters are in control, and they're probably gonna short the market down quite a bit more. So just be aware, guys. We'll probably see a little bit of downside here over the next couple of days leading into the weekend, which is opposite of what we thought was gonna happen. And we told you last night, but we also told you unless current events come through, which are completely unpredictable. And that is what happened today. And we got 2 back-to-back in the last hour. And that's a 1-hour candle right now on Luna Classic, which cannot make up its mind, which is, wow. A lot of volatility moving in the market. We'll probably see a bunch of Maslin staking from this just because people will freak out a little bit. You know, it's rightfully so. So not something we want to see right now for the crypto space. So where can we see Bitcoin heading? Luna Classic will probably see 1.6. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, you're probably going to get that 22.3 retest off this bad news. Let's check the 4-hour chart. And then we'll probably, I mean, it could go as low as 21.5 to look for a bounce off that 200 moving average right here. So I think we'll see a couple more red days in a row, just being with the bad news that we have been receiving. So, yeah, I sold part of at 50 and more at 60. That's why I sent you a message showing I hit the chart. I got you. Yeah, man, and it's funny. We just talked last night about being the market being really bullish, and look at it, man. Turns around. I mean, right when I went to go live, I saw the charts starting to really crash off the 1-minute chart, and then I was like, oh shit, something came out. And sure enough, some FUD campaigns are starting to roll out. One with Israel, one with Coinbase CEO. So we'll have to see how that affects the broader market over the next couple of days, and you know, see if we can. We'll bounce back from it. There's no doubt in my mind that won't try to. They're not going to ban staking. That'd just be dumb. So for Coinbase CEO to shout from the rooftop from that, yeah, maybe he's trying to protect people, whatnot, but I don't see that happening, man. I'll be royally pissed. I'm sure as many Americans that are invested in crypto proof of stake chains, they'll be pissed too as well. To me, if the government will want to kill staking, it's just because central banks can't even come close to competing with the amount of APY that you can receive from staking crypto. So it's really really a fucked up game they're playing right here, which is causing a lot of proof of stake networks to drop pretty hard right now. So just have to keep an eye on it, guys. Not too much happening with Luna Classic. We could check up on the governance props that are in the pipelines right now. See which ones are passing, which ones are what they're looking like. So give me a few minutes, I'll get it pulled up. All right, so the raise. Oh shit! I lost it. All right, so the validator raise commission is not quite passing just yet. Still a couple days left to vote. Lunk Live, we voted no on this one, so we'll have to see what happens with this. I'll be keeping my eye on it. Burn 50% staking rewards. Look at this shit, 90. Pretty much all no, and then you got 9% no with veto. So no way that thing is passing. You're not gonna get validators to burn 50% of their staking, and then of course you got the 2 scam props, which probably after this live stream I'll be voting no on. So the only real serious one that we actually have out right now for governance for Luna Classic is the 5% minimum commission rate for validators on Luna Classic blockchain. So we'll see what happens with it. But with this terrible FUD from the staking shit, man, it's really gonna throw a wrench into the game for all proof of stake chains right now. So just have to keep an eye on it, guys, and keep pushing forward. So if you got any questions about some cryptos, man, make sure to throw them in the comments and let us know. It's a pretty dull night tonight. I know crypto just started dipping, so hopefully we don't have a dip party, but it's not looking the greatest right now, guys. Hopefully we start to turn this thing around. Bitcoin could be looking for a double bottom here at 22,449. So we'll kind of watch it here for a few minutes and see if that's actually what happens. Oh man, always some dumb shit. Always some dumb stuff in the market. Matic at 124, man. We got XLM 8 cents, Ethereum Classic 21, FTM 49, Litecoin 96, Dogecoin 8 cents, Ethereum 16, 18, and Bitcoin 22.5. So at 21, yeah, I kind of feel like Bitcoin's going to head down to about, that 22.3, and if it doesn't hold that, we'll probably see it at 21.5, 21. We'll see a good pullback, and hopefully this isn't the beginning of a big FUD campaign towards crypto where we start heading back down, because we finally had a decent month. February was looking extremely promising, and literally just tonight we got hit with the FUD, man. It almost seems calculated. So, oh man. So guys, if you just tune in, make sure you hit that like button if you could. Greatly appreciate it. And if you're brand new, feel free to hop in the chat, say something, man, if you want to check out some cryptos. We do a bunch of TA here, kind of give you some insights where we think crypto might be heading over the course of a short-term time period. But if you could, yeah, man, that'd be great. So we're just kind of watching Bitcoin, taking a bit of a dip here, waiting to see what it wants to do. Will we see a 22,449 retest, double bottom, fallout? I don't know, but we are kind of getting close to it. So let's see if we can get to that 14 before we get rejected, and hopefully we don't continue sliding down to the downside. So what's the word, Big Bird? Long time. What's up, Satoshi Yoshi? How you doing, my man? Hey, Satoshi, are you on Twitter, man? I got my Twitter link in the comment section, bro. Drop me a follow on Twitter, man. It has been a long time, so good to see you, man. Hopefully you've been doing well, and your crypto trading has been, killing the game, man. Good to see you, though, man. So we're just kind of monitoring the charts, seeing what's happening with this FUD on proof-of-stake chains, and see how low we're going to end up going, so... Yeah, they're already talking about it on Twitter. And it's spreading like wildfire. Now I'm going to have to go put this fucking fire out. Everybody's going to be mass unstaking. And we'll probably lose some more delegations for Lunk Live. But, be alright. I am not. Crypto is accumulating. Been busy with work. Much appreciated, brother. Hey, it's always good to see a familiar face, man. It's good to see you're accumulating your crypto, though. It'll be a fun time when everything's going to turn around here pretty shortly, my man. So all that accumulating is going to pay off for you. It's going to take some time. I'm thinking, 2024 is going to be the year for us, man. If we can continue... just accumulating crypto off these dips, it's going to pay off extremely well, man, for everybody. Oh, man. So, not quite the live stream I had in mind tonight, man. Like, right before I hit the go live button, the news really started to spread, and we saw the pretty big, massive dip. So... we'll have to wait and see what happens, but I'm expecting tomorrow red. You could pretty much put that down in the red section. This is probably going to spread deep into tomorrow and possibly into the weekend. So big Thursday tomorrow. We'll probably be down another % or two. So definitely would hold off if you're looking to purchase any crypto. You could probably get it at a much better price tomorrow or by this weekend. So. For me, I'll personally be kind of just holding off, not doing anything, because this is a FUD campaign, calculated FUD campaign. Here we go, 22,500 retest right now for Bitcoin. Let's see if we can hold it. If not, we'll probably see that 22.449 retest double bottom. And if that happens, could potentially fall out from there and start dipping again tonight. So we need to keep a close eye on everything. If you got your crypto on an exchange with stop losses, you know, if you're worried about it, put some stop losses in. But I don't think it's going to be extremely terrible. But this news could possibly lead us back to 20,000 again off BTC. This little pump that we saw over the past couple months, month and a half, could be taken away from us with all this. So yeah, for sure, man. I'm still rocking in Discord. So we're getting close to that 449, guys. 22,485. So what's about to happen right here? Double bottom fallout? I hope not. So let's see it pump. Let's get back up there. Best play, I think, is VAI coin this year. Yeah, I'm gonna probably pick up some more of that. I need to check where it's at today. I haven't looked at it. Like seriously, when I was going click to go live, just everything started falling, and I immediately checked the crypto news, and that's what I found. And I was like, oh shit, you know, this news really just started getting posted. It got Twitter's really upping its game. Major news is being broken on Twitter now more than ever. We saw Tom Brady last week. He announced his retirement on Twitter, his second retirement, I might add. And then, you know, Brian Armstrong basically came out and started this FUD today. So if this only affects proof of stake stuff, then won't Doge do relatively well since it's proof of work? No, I think it's going to be an opposite effect. I think it's going to really hurt the entire crypto market. I really do. But right now it's all speculation. It's nothing set in stone, Kelly. Could be just a FUD campaign to bring the markets back down, because we have rallied quite a bit over the past month. And I was expecting a pullback at some point. You know, nothing continues to go up and up and up and up. The bull markets are fun. They feel like it's going to go up forever and never come back down, and eventually does. But, you know, we've been having fun for the past month, so I was expecting a decent pullback, and this is probably what we're going to get. Will it be a 20,000 retest on Bitcoin? Quite possibly, especially if there's any added FUD to this, any added narrative. Yeah, you know, the SEC comes out and confirms anything, you know, that, hey, we're looking into possibly banning proof of stake because central banks clearly cannot compete with APY returns you get from staking with proof of stake chains. But you also have to realize that you're dealing with a lockup period on your staking too. So if you go ahead and stake like your lunk with our validator, it's locked up for 21 days. You can't touch it. You can't sell it. You know, it's locked up. So as soon as you undelegate, then you have to wait the 21-day period for you to be able to access those funds once again. So, and then you're, of course, at the mercy of the market between the 21-day period. So, yep, and that's what it's going to be, man. Bad for the whole crypto market. Just waiting to see this double bottom, man. It's taking a sweet time. But if you rocking with me here tonight, man, I really do appreciate it. Really do, guys. Just a quick little market update, even though the market's doing like complete shit, man. It'll be all right. I'll try to be more active in Discord too, guys. Been mainly posting all my stuff on Twitter. I need to start getting more active in Discord. So it's taking a sweet time. Let's see what happens here. There we go. We might be getting it right here, guys. 465. What's she gonna do? Double bottom fallout, we could fall pretty hard, so like another % or two. So hope that doesn't happen, but it's looking more and more like it. It's like watching paint dry. Waiting for this fucking retest, man. All right, so we got the 14 moving average acting as resistance now. As you can see that off the chart right here, we've been getting rejected off of it. So let's see if we can hop over it. If not, I'm waiting for this 22,449 because we'll go on a ride. So almost feel like putting in a short in, but we're already down 2% on Bitcoin and a lot more on other cryptos. So probably hold off on that. Yeah, guys, 17 people, man. If you got a question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. If not, thank you for tuning in. We're just kind of watching crypto dip. This was going to be a Luna Classic update video, but it turned out the market had some FUD, so now it's turned into a dip video. Let me see. Pull up some real quick. What's up, William? They did this on purpose because they missed the boat. Quite possible. They seem to always miss the boat. Let's see if the redeems are working tonight. Boom. Redeems are working. We just need to redeem some Bitcoin to get it pumping. What you gonna do, Bitcoin? I'm just waiting, guys, because double bottom right here would be pretty bad. Probably drop another % or two, and I'm just waiting to see. That 14 is trying to turn. I just saw it's trying to flatten out. So if we keep getting rejected off of it, we'll definitely see that double bottom fallout. Probably a bunch of shorts are taking advantage of everything right now. So there we go. Starting to get rejected. Will this be the candle to bring us down? Let's see. If I had to bet, though, it's probably going to double bottom fall out. 22,449, about $20 away. $20 away, guys. Potential another little fallout. That'd be the most stupidest thing for the government to do. Ban proof of stake network. That'd just be idiotic. Really would. But you can see what it did to the market tonight. Matic is down 5% right now. FTM was down a whole 15% off this news, which is crazy. So FTM under 50 cents. I like it, but I would hold off. Like, I think this is going to, you know, like I said, draw into the next couple of days. We'll probably see the fallout continue, unless we get some type of news to really get us over this. So, but I mean, to be fair, he is, you know, Coinbase CEO, so he probably did have some information on all this. So it's just funny how easy it is for guys like that to manipulate the market, you know, because if they know that, hey, I'm going to go tweet that the SEC is going to ban proof of stake networks and get you shorts in, you know, it's market manipulation. They just had one guy who, you know, pleaded guilty to market manipulation. that worked for Coinbase. Pretty high up official too. All right, guys, we're starting to move here at 22,555. Let's see what happens. What's going on, Chucky25? We're taking a little bit of a dip, man. If you're just tuning in, the news of the night is just Coinbase CEO breaks news that proof of stake chains could be banned by the United States government for staking purposes. 22,562. It was the redeemed Bitcoin, bro. I'm telling you. When I redeemed the Bitcoin, that's what happened. We took off. That's exactly what happened. So now we'll head back up, hopefully to that green line, which is the 250 moving average. And we'll probably get rejected. Let's see. It's all good, Chucky25. Welcome to the channel, man. We try to live stream every night. We're getting back to it. It's been pretty boring. Man, the past 6 months in crypto has been complete dog shit. Till finally, the past month, it's starting to get fun again. And then we run into nights like this. I had a pretty good layout of Luna Classic updates I was going to be doing. And then we turned out to see the market get completely fudded here. So it is what it is, man. What's up, Raw God? What is PP on Solana doing? Pepe? We'll check it out, man. One Shot GT coming in with a $10 make you holla super chat. Thank you for making that little kid dance on the screen. One Shot GT. Appreciate it, man. Let's see if I can pull that up. William says, there goes my lunk millionaire millions dreams because they'll ban it. Nah, man, I don't think they're going to ban it. Don't worry about that too much. One Shot GT with another $5 super chat. Thank you very much for One Shot GT, man. Tell you what, I'll take that 15 and I'll buy some more AGIX with it. Pepe Soul has it all. I didn't see everything now. Another meme coin, guys. Pepe Soul up 32.69%. Said F the FUD. We don't care about no proof of stake FUD. We're up 32.32%. When did this thing launch? Pepe is a meme coin built on the Solana blockchain, aims to create fun and engaging community while also building out unique utilities. You're making that kid dance once again. One Shot GT with the $5 super chat. Thank you very much, man. Also redeeming the Bitcoin, trying to get shit to pump here. I don't blame him. It works sometimes. Radium is where you buy it, and you swap it for USDC. Volume in the past, $287,000. Yeah, so this was just launched on February 8th. I'll have to really dig into this, man. I'm always careful with those meme coins like that. That shit could easily be a rug pull. But shit, the last thing on Solana that fucking went parabolic, what was it? Shit, I can't even think of the name of it. Man, why I can't think of it? So many cryptos out there. Oh, it has a rug checker releasing next week. What the fuck? Which one was it? It just ripped like 500% like 2-3 weeks ago. A coin on Solana. If y'all can think of it, let me know. Yeah, bonk. That was it, bonk. I couldn't think of it, dude. But yeah, that was another meme coin that spiked off the Solana chain. And look, Solana got fucking dragged through the mud with the FTX stuff. So to see it, these coins popping on and the Solana community really jumping on board to help pump these coins up, yeah, you can see some massive freaking gains. Only thing for me is to grab some Pepe. So I don't trade on Radium. So I don't know. Maybe I could dig into it, see how to buy some. But for me, I'd have to research it a little bit more. What's up, NS? Good to see you, man. Always a pleasure. A little FUD in the market, but we're trying to come back now. A little consolidation starting to form here. But could have been a better night, to say the least. So lower high, higher low, not so much higher low. So still a good chance we break to the downside here and retest 22,300 for Bitcoin, guys. Yeah, man. Hey, I'd appreciate it. Oh, so you're actually part of the Pepe Soul group. That's what's up, man. Yeah, we might try to do a little live stream on it tomorrow night. Cover some Pepe. I love the Pepe memes. I really do. It's pretty funny, actually. The Pepe memes. They really get you going. But I'll definitely be keeping my eye on it. I'll probably research it and see where I can actually pick some up at. Because I don't even know how to trade on Radium, to be honest with you. Pepe Soul. But thanks for bringing it to my attention, man. That's the first time I've actually seen this coin, so. You know what I'd like to see for all these DeFi and brand new projects really coming up out the woodworks? I would like to see them each have a website to where you can link a MetaMask wallet, a Phantom wallet. Okay, cool. You can pick it up on Phantom wallet. I do have a Phantom wallet. So, or just a direct link to where you can link multiple wallets to where you can purchase the coins and not have to go through some bullshit exchanges. I remember that for SafeMoon. When SafeMoon came out, man, that was a pain in the ass to buy. Like, right when it dropped, that was really, really hard. You had to do all kind of stuff with Pancake Swap and buy BNB. And, man, you had to go through the ringer to get some SafeMoon. Yes, Pepe Soul got the fire Pepe memes. So I'm guessing they're going to have NFTs with this project. I'm just assuming. I mean, why not? It's Pepe, you know. It's a good idea. I could see it hitting off, you know. It's Pepe's pretty famous frog. So if you know, if I have to look a little bit more into the contract, which I will, but you know, if they can run it right and do a good job, hell yeah, man. It could turn into another big time meme coin, Pepe. So a little volume stepping in, guys. Not too much. Not enough to turn around the market from the downside that we just saw. So it's all good. We'll see if tomorrow's a better day. So pretty much for the day, down 2% across the board. A lot of other cryptos took a pretty good hit off of that. Let's pull up CoinMarketCap real quick and take a look at the top droppers now off the charts. All right, so that news dropped Bitcoin 3% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum just about the same. BNB about the same, 3.5%. Cardano 4%. Dogecoin 6%. Proof of work networks are getting hit too, and they're actually getting hit a little bit harder. Matic down 2%. What else we got? Yeah, it's, man, that shit dropped the whole market. I wouldn't be surprised if they put shorts in across the whole board, man. APT down 12%. Lido Dow, check this out, up 1.5%. The Graph coin, that was up tremendously, and now that's dropping 17.21%. So hopefully you got that indicator to possibly offload that stuff. One Shot GT, man, says buy them damn dips, dropping 2 back-to-back super chat attacks. Thank you very much, One Shot GT, for those 2 $10 make you holla super chats, my friend. And thank you for making that little kid dance on the screen, man. I greatly do appreciate it. I will now buy $30 worth of AGIX, my friend. I think I'll start doing that with all super chats. Like, anytime the channel gets super chats, whatever cryptos y'all want me to buy, we'll just go ahead and pick some up. I think that's gonna be a good way to go about doing that. Adding to the bag with the super chats. Terra Classic down 6 3/4%. Chills coin. I used to play Chills a little bit. A lot lower than when it was when I played it. Just say that. So, not still holding it, but where's the AGIX? Singularity Network dropped a little bit today. Past week, 121%. You can't knock it, but down 32% today. So, people taking profits. You know, it's normal. Rocket Pool RPL up 5.37%. Osmosis. Oasis. Let's check Gala real quick. See what Gala's doing. Check out Jasmine, baby. Down 9% today. But Jasmine creeping up in the top 100s once again. Raven coin. That was one everyone was saying would take over for Ethereum. Holy shit, where's Gala? Did I pass it up? I don't even know why I like Gala so much, but I do. I think it has real potential for gaming cryptos. There it is, 113, down 11% today. The past week has not been good for Gala, guys. Absolutely not. So, well, looks like we'll have to live through a little bit more FUD. So a little consolidation after that major drop that we saw. So nothing too serious, guys. So let's hope we can find some support right here and work our way back up. And just hope it's all it is. It's just some FUD. So we're working up right on that hour mark, guys. We try to do an hour live stream every night. So we're on the same time, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're around tomorrow night, come check us out. Hopefully we'll have some better information because my whole video went to shit tonight. I was supposed to be a Luna Classic update video, live stream, talk about governance. And then right when I clicked to go live, everything just started falling out. So it happens though, you know. Can't control it. It's the market. Unforeseen current events will do this. So let's just hope we don't fall too hard tomorrow. So we're already down 3% on the day for Bitcoin and across the board. No, absolutely not, Chucky. Absolutely not. The government's not going to ban staking, man. This is some stupid shit. And I got to go check my validator because I probably just lost a bunch of delegations from people probably panic withdrawals of their delegations. Because, look, that's the risk you take when staking because you're locked up for 21 days. But the government's not just going to come out and say, hey, all staking is now immediately banned. Like, it's not going to happen. They can't. They're not going to do that. You know how many millions of Americans have their money staked right now and earning what potentially they could never earn in the real world with a central bank? You know, that's why him putting out the FUD, it probably has some facts behind it because probably they're talking about it. Because how can a bank who offers 0.00001% interest rate on your money compete with something that you're earning 17 to 20% on? It just doesn't happen. But what you have to understand too is you also are a victim of market volatility. You know, if you stake Luna Classic and it drops 30% within that 21-day period while you go to undelegate, you're stuck with your coins. You just lost 30%. So it's a gamble either way. So there's risk involved with every single thing that you do in crypto. So you just have to keep that in mind, guys. So let's hope we can be up for tomorrow night for the live stream. That would be great if we can stay above 22,000. But I really do feel like we'll see a dip over the past day until tomorrow night's live stream. So just be aware of that, guys, and try to just pay attention to the markets. It's starting to get a little volatile. So hopefully we can get a rebound, get some good news, and continue this uptrend that we've been seeing. But as of right now, everything's signaling to me like we're going to head down a little bit. So just be aware, guys, and really appreciate it. Real quick, Raw God says liquidity pool on Radium for Pepe is insane. They just unbanned Radium in the U.S. Yeah, so I'll have to check it out. I never traded on Radium, but if it's available on Phantom Wallet, I have Phantom Wallet, so I had a buddy who built an NFT game for for Solana blockchain. So I am pretty familiar with the Phantom Wallet. I actually like the Phantom Wallet. You can see NFTs. It's a great user interface. So I'll check it out, man. I'll probably do some research on it here tonight. But Raw Guide, man, hopefully you subscribe to the channel. Got a link to a free Discord in the description down below, man. Hopefully you feel free to hop in on there. And if you're not following me on Twitter, this is probably be the best way to get in touch with me. Let me pull up my Twitter real quick for you guys. So it's at MARKT Matts, MATTS. Lunk Live, baby. So check us out, man. Drop us a follow. I'll make sure to hit you with a follow back, guys. But we pretty much approaching that 1 hour mark, so I'm going to go ahead and hop off. I got a few things to take care of before I have to get ready for work tomorrow. So thank y'all, everybody, for tuning in tonight. We'll see each and every one of y'all here tomorrow night, hopefully. And if you need some in the meantime, hit me up on Twitter or Discord. Till then, much love and peace.